ONCI. ONCI doesn't have too much history of really trading here. I think that, yeah, we looked at this one way back too, but it really, like I said, we really can't even base it off of that anymore. So we're gonna have to start this all over on our history of our streams and what we're gonna be tracking as far as data. So 0024 right now for ONCI, On4 Communications Inc., I believe, ON4 Communications. Let's see, over on the 23rd is when we started seeing that action coming in here. Right here. And then we started seeing this uptrend beginning on the first green candle. And it got outside that Bollinger Band, still held it for 2 days. So you didn't see any red confirmation candle. You know that it might keep going. Where it's at now, I'm definitely going to put this one on a watch.
So the only news for that one right there was on that 23rd. They had a conference call. It was a conference call when it started going up right there. So, I mean, I'm not sure if this is still valid. It's got the passcode and everything else for it. Maybe somebody can call in and listen to it still.
So if they have the code, they can go back into it?
I think so. I'm not sure how long it's there for. Depends who they do the conference calls with. Sometimes these guys will put it up and then you could like review it for a few months.
All right. Well, as far as ONCI goes, what I'm going to definitely add here is I really like what I see here. You got the Bollinger Bands get really tight. Candle goes sideways. Not much movement up and down. Let me rephrase that. Not much movement up and down. The candle goes sideways. And then the simple day moving averages start getting really tight right there. Okay? And then what you see after that, usually when these Bollinger Bands get really tight and the moving days start getting closer together, something's going to happen. And once we've seen this green confirmation candle, we know it's going to go up. It could have went the same way. It could have went down. But it decided to go up. So now we've got 5 days of green now. I like the way that it's trading. Pretty steady. No major moves up. The volume's starting to come back. Like Joe said, when was it? What was the conference call on the 23rd?
Yeah.
Okay, so the 23rd right here. And that basically marked it. So what I would like to see here moving forward, that volume really continue. I mean, it's going up really. The volume's not even too big. I mean, the volume came in, dropped off a little bit, came back, dropped off. I'd keep an eye on it for sure. Joe, do you want to add any more?
The 23rd I'm looking at was September 23rd though. That conference call.
Oh, September 23rd. Okay,
yeah.
Well, that's I take that back then. That's.
No, I just looked at your chart and noticed you were referencing November.
Yeah. Well, it was ironic.
Yeah, just like that one that I sat there and I read the PR and it was basically from a year earlier. Thinking it was present.
Yeah, you'll have that though.
Yeah, gotta pay attention to detail.
Yep, the small things matter. So
yeah, especially in this industry.
Yeah. All right, so what we're gonna be looking at here, like I said, I mean, it's basically a gamble now. You know what I mean? If we were here, I'd say, yeah, it's starting to make moves. It's going to go its way up at, 0009, but it's already double up in 4 days. Keep an eye on it. Definitely put ONCI on a watch. ONCI.